So what's your name? Advertise yourself.
My name is Patrick. I read electrical engineering from Unity. I've been into solar since 2017. This is 3 years now. I am happy when my customers are happy. So when you want to talk about solar, alternative energy, you can have me at your beck and call.
Call the house over here.
Okay. The appliances indoors now get in here.
Ideally, the hot weather. Any the AC now. Fan na eku na Nigeria. Like the weather I want to fan na eku. So when you go power AC, of course, minimum free. I don't know going to fridge because now minimum fridge, lighting points, and sometimes water heater. Then AC. Go to 1.5 horsepower.
One.
Because somebody, oh you have one. When you are in a room, you are seeing a material AC in a room.
You're in a solar, you book. Once you go on much load, then you have more batteries and that was what the many under discussed then was the things were all listed. Just not really about the size of the house, no the appliances.
No, size of that doesn't have anything. No, like load.
So I don't know one AC or two ACs and one water heater, so that it will help us factor in the size of inverter and the capacity of installation to be done.
Apart from fridge and freezer, no?
Yes.
In a goes like heavy loads.
Heavy loads.
So, how many battery you bring?
I don't know two ACs, the minimum of 8 batteries.
2 ACs, okay, ACs, power horsepower AC.
1 horsepower.
1 horsepower. And we split unit to 1 horsepower.
Yeah. And the inverter AC, this new inverter AC.
New inverter AC. So 8 batteries we're going.
8 batteries and then 15 panels minimum.
Yeah.
2.3 million.
2.3. Can he go visit him before 1 point something?
Yeah, 4 batteries because he didn't talk about AC. Then he'll go with fridge, lighting points, and all. So when on board is a Munayache for AC, I also told him the price for AC.
2.3 million. Me we better need a panel because okay for panel on a maybe you know. I got you in a roof photo on our story.
You have company. I already look car park.
Okay. When we call it a carport name.
Yeah, depending on where I bought the carport.
Very good. That would be good because I don't like in car and I ask you know.
Oh, and then I like one to have it so that I got a solar the better.
I was the advice. I can't say to you, no of course. I Patrick, who got the high plus.
So now when done about I thought you have solar name. Yeah, has to sit here by name when you're not got it. I have na solar the better not couldn't move 24 hours.
So solar was is now a thing of class.
Yes, in Nigeria is a thing of class.
Or is it just in Igbo land? Is it just in Anambra State?
Not
because he had the
Anambra.
Anambra. He had the no matter. He had the no matter. You people hear that? Solar is now show off. Me, that is the thing. I don't like. There are some things I don't like. I don't understand. Personally, I don't like this thing. I feel that it spoils the roof. So now that he told me that he's going to put it on the carport, I prefer it, to be honest. I prefer it. But remember that there's a tree here. So all these trees, the leaves falling on it doesn't affect.
No. The most important thing is the position of the sun.
The position of the sun. And as we've seen, it's like this sun is going this way. So
we can just
position it there.
This way. It will even do not save money for the carport to serve dual purpose.
Dual purpose.
Yes.
Okay. Are you not going to roof the carport before you put the solar panel?
The panel itself will be the roof.
Would be the roof?
Yes.
Wow. And how do we secure it? Like, is there theft for solar panels, no?
Once this is for wire gauze. No?
Yeah.
And so the height is not going to be
up there.
Up very, very high.
So now you're talking. Because I've always said that I don't like that panel on the roof. It defaces the roof from me as far as I'm concerned. Especially the kind of roof we have here. If it's a very long roof, maybe you have a very long building, and then you arrange it very well, like it will be flat. But these ones, it will be zigzag, going up in the direction of the slope. So that's why I don't like it. So normally, what do you need for the electrical installation? Where the batteries will be?
Even the batteries can be here.
Can be here?
Yeah.
Really? It won't block this passage. It can be here under the stairs. What did you say again? That it has to be out here?
Yeah, because for ventilation.
It needs ventilation, the batteries. Okay, so it can be in there. So it's either here or here, very close to the DB.
Yes.
And this is a very close place, very close to that, the way it will be outside. But how big are the batteries? Do you have images?
Yes.
To see if they can be here. When he Jacob?
On a rack.
Okay. That's what you call it in a rack. Because someone not there, I might not have the material.
Or the battery. Only to serve.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah, we must now worry.
No one will be.
Everyone was not well.
Well, no one.
Oh, no, I'm going to know one must do my battalion.
So I'll do around that
Wow, no,
that exposed for that. Something like this.
I had them ever.
no, mother.
That's no one.
I come.
Of course, they buy it.
Also, no need the ventilation.
Okay.
So, oh, yeah, solar, no, I'm solar. But this solar is beyond the pocket of a lot of people.
Yes.
Because solar board solution, you put a ram and never and see solar, as if no, it's 1 naira. It's not 1 naira. It's expensive. It's too expensive for my liking. 2.3 million go last card, market price, and I wait for you.
For the quality of the job, I'm about to say we're different batteries now. So and then the size of panels and usage ever more. So that 2.3. We have discussed it before, so I don't even want to inflate.
No, I'm not going to discuss it. I'm one on site. You got to go? So what of those that don't have money for 8 batteries and 15 panels? You know, people want to do the like basic of the basic. How much is it?
You can have 2 batteries.
2 batteries?
Yeah.
And how many panels?
2 with 4 or 5 panels.
What can that carry?
You can take some lighting points. You can still take 1 fridge in the day.
1 fridge?
Only in the day.
Only in the day?
So that you reserve the batteries for use at night.
At night, okay. Okay, yeah, you share the load, like it's like load shedding.
Yes.
Okay. So during the day when the lights are off, you put the fridge on, and at night you turn on the fridge and put on the lights because you need to see. Makes sense. So how much is that one?
That one for 700.
700,000 naira. You have to be saying in naira because those in dollars are what?
Yeah, 700,000 naira.
Okay. And then
we have 4 batteries. That one actually goes with
the next one is 4 batteries. And how many panels?
4 batteries, 8 or 9 panels.
8 or 9 panels. So that one can carry lighting points, TV, fridge and freezer.
Yeah.
What else? You said washing machine. What else? Did you said something? Fans. Simultaneously.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So if you go up a step, 4 batteries and 9 panels.
The price will double again.
To double to how much?
That's 1.3.
1.3. Okay, almost double. Yeah. And then
from there you move to 8 batteries. You have 12 batteries. You have 16 batteries. You have 32.
Madre, this one is industrial.
Yeah, we have a client with 16 batteries and 32 panels.
What does he need that for?
He runs about 1.5 horsepower AC and 2 horsepower AC morning till night.
Till night, okay.
Yeah, so and then every other his water heater, He just
he just uses it like means electricity. Okay.
Yes, yeah, they just did it. He does not want anything
Story.
on grid. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, he's not on grid.
Yeah. After he did that, he had to cut.
Cut off NEPA.
Yes, he did that.
Oh, money. I wish I had money to cut off NEPA in my life. No, honestly, if you have money, you cut off NEPA because, to be honest, it's not enough. Until they are serious, it's not enough. So, when somebody starts from the basic, you can upgrade as you go along, right? It's easy to upgrade whenever you have money. So,
but the problem is, if you take a longer time before you upgrade, you know, but just like our phone batteries, when you use them,
it degrades, it degenerates over time.
So, and the principle with batteries, when you get new ones to an older one,
the old ones will just ruin the new ones.
We usually advise upgrade to be between 3 to 4 months
only
of usage. Yes, if not, when you can talk about upgrading panels, or you just have another. Instead of buying 2 batteries to make up 4 with the old one, you can just install another 2 batteries again and then divide the loads.
Okay, in the house.
Yes.
But you told me that these things last for years. Why is it that within 4 months the batteries have degraded so much that you cannot mix it with new batteries?
No, the degrade is not. Of course, for a battery to work for 4 months, it's not the performance will no longer be 100%. And of course, when you buy new batteries, you should expect them to work at their optimum. When you buy new batteries at 4 months and then they're already working at the level of the older one, so it's always advised within 4, 5, 6 months you want to upgrade. Anything later than that, you already have your new batteries and your old batteries at the same level.
So how often should one change these batteries then?
The batteries have a lifespan of 3 to 5 years. Yes, as at 3 years.
Did you hear that? This solar is not cheap. Oh. No. This is not cheap.
You know, when they say lifespan, it also depends on usage.
So which one is the 50-year-old one? Is it the panels?
The panel, yeah. The panel they don't have, unless something takes it off from the roof, and then you have the glasses.
Madre mia. Right now, I know prices of things change every day in Nigeria. So right now, what's the cost of like changing one battery? Assuming.
One battery now is 120,000.
120,000. So you can imagine every 3 to 5 years, count the number of batteries you have, multiply by 120,000 plus inflation, which we know is coming. So that's how much you should be ready to shell out and assuming like a lot of people build houses, for instance, this village house, you're not going to live there, you're not using it all the time. So does that still count as 4 to 5 years, even when it's not in use?
That's why I told you that the 3 to 5 years is what on an average, that this is the battery is working on daily basis. That is, you're using it every day.
Every day.
And so, like I told you, we have an installation we did in 2016.
Yeah.
And the batteries are still working.
Are still working.
Yeah, this is 4 years.
4 years now.
The man just goes and then.
Are you guys learning? After this thing, you're ready to install solar yourself. Since you say that your money is supermarket money, people, he doesn't reduce money, supermarket.
we give you quality job. That is, if you go to our page, you see that our fans are usually very happy with our jobs. And so instead of us to look at cost and then undermine our services.
So what's the guarantee for your job?
We have 1 year guarantee.
Is that for installation or for the equipment?
Both the installation and the equipment.
Only 1 year?
Warranty.
Yeah,
the solar panels have up to 30 years.
30 years guarantee.
The batteries have 3 to 5 years. And others, inverters too.
So warranty is free maintenance and whatever, anything that happens. After that, you're on your own.
Yeah. I have warranty.
Yeah, warranty.
We have jobs. We have done 2016, 2017. They are still working.
They are still working, no problem. Okay. So what's your name? Advertise yourself.
My name is Patrick. I read electrical engineering from Unity. So I've been into solar since 2017. This is 3 years now in the job, and I am happy when my customers are happy. So when you want to talk about solar, alternative energy, you can have me at your beck and call.
Where are you?
My office at Tonimas Plaza, Ifite, Oka, Anambra State.
In Anambra, Gogo. So all the other states you have to come here, unfortunately.
No, we deliver nationwide. We are not limited by distance.
Okay, have you heard that? The guy is prepared. I don't know they are sharp. He has an answer to every question. Ideally, we should come when the house is ready, right? So when the house is ready for you to move in, that's when he comes. Yeah. So it depends on the pace at which we build. You can see that nothing is here yet. Okay. I know the pricing was all over the place, so here's a clean summary of the prices which are valid today, 22nd January 2021. Prices of things change so much in Nigeria, so tomorrow may not be guaranteed. The minimum installation is made up of 4 to 5 solar panels and 2 batteries, which give you 1.5 kVA to 2.5 kVA that can power some lighting points at night, 1 fridge during the day, TV and fans. This will cost you 700,000 naira. Remember, today. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. All the prices I'm going to quote here are, will change in the future. So use them as a guide. The next installation is made up of 8 or 9 solar panels, 4 batteries, which gives you 3 kVA to 5 kVA that can power lights, TV, fridge, freezer, washing machine and fans simultaneously. This will cost you 1.2 million to 1.3 million naira. The difference in price depends on the number of panels you choose. So 8 panels for 1.2 million and 9 panels for 1.3 million. The extra solar panel will make it charge faster. The next installation is made up of 15 to 18 solar panels and 8 batteries, which gives you 5 kVA to 7.5 kVA that can power lighting points, fridge, TV, freezer, washing machine, 2 ACs, which according to him will be 1 horsepower each, 1 water heater and fans simultaneously. This one will cost you 2.2 to 2.4 million naira. He didn't really confirm the water heater being simultaneously powered with the rest, but you can always power off every other thing and turn on your water heater. The worst that can happen is that your batteries will dissipate faster and you will not have light at night. But the next day, once the sun is out, your batteries will start charging again. Then you have 12 batteries, 16 batteries, 32 batteries as your pocket and needs allow. As the number of batteries increase, you need a corresponding number of panels so all the batteries can be charged before dusk each day. I hope you are now happy to know what it will cost you to install solar alternative energy in your home in Nigeria, with some technical information thrown in as Jara. If yes, hit the like button to help this channel bring you more valuable content. Feel free to ask questions not answered in this video in the comment section below and I will ask Patrick to address that. Bye bye.